and I wanted to know the center. One way is to draw a chord between one point of the circle to the other. But the trick here is that you want to count. You want the half of that chord. And so the easiest way is to draw a line that is already, so you can see right here, goes 1, 2, 3 inches. So I'm going to go 1.5. So supposedly right here, that's half between here and here. This is going to help us draw a line going this way. It's probably going to cross the center, which we kind of know. And then we'll draw another one. Use the centimeters. Let's see. A little harder, isn't it? Let's see, like right there, maybe. Much harder to do. Let's do the inches then. That would have been easier to do. We'll do 2 inches. Oh, we'll try to do 2 inches. That looks about right. And half of it will be here. Okay. Now we need a right angle. I don't have a right angle tool, but this will do. This piece of paper will do. And you can see, look, it lines up pretty well in the center because this is perpendicular. Not too bad. Not too bad. I mean, I'm not expecting perfect here. Well, let's go here. Let's draw this one. Let's see what happens. Oh, no. That's not. Paper must not be perpendicular then. That's saying that the center is right there. Let's see. Let's use another piece of paper. Let's see here. The whole idea of doing this is to see what happened. That's way off, isn't it? Let me see. This paper looks pretty square to me. So is this one. So the whole idea is, did we mess up? Maybe. Let's see. There to there. 1, 2, 3. 1.5. And that looks a little bit different. Let's see. From there to there. Oh, that's right. Right here. And that's perpendicular. This is perpendicular. These two chords are not in any way parallel. Let's see. And then this one. Well, let's measure this again. close enough. That's right here. And this one, crazy thing is that this one is almost hitting there, but this one is not. How come? The line would have to be more like here. But if that's the case, then the chord has to be hitting somewhere else. Pretty tricky, isn't it? Not the right tools, probably, either. Okay. So, how about this? Is that a lot of times we make mistakes in math. And when you watch a video, it looks like nobody made any mistakes. And that's because they practice and practice. Or they know the subject very well. And so when you see it on YouTube, it's perfect. Right? But that's not really necessarily true. Now I'm erasing this because I want to get these lines right. I still know where the center is. Okay. Okay, so we're going to use this here, right, somehow. I'm going to try to align it here. Also, we have to align it just right. Now the center is right there. And it's off, well, because, you know, it's a bit off. Okay. It's not too bad. Now, let's see how the other one works. Like this, no. Where's it going to go? Let's draw the line. Has to be a square, like that, right? Okay. So this needs to cover that. That's nice. And you can see that now it's a little bit better. Wait a minute. Okay. Okay. It's a bit off, but I think it's better. Supposedly, the center's right here, but not quite, is it? Not bad. I think I like this square here. Much easier to measure this more accurately. And of course, using graph paper also helps. So the center is a little bit off, but not bad. Not bad at all. Okay, so in this one, what I'm going to do is I have these squares here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a square inside the circle. And to do that, I'll just use the lines here. And we'll see what happens. So from here to here, all right, and then it needs to be a box. So that's going to be 1, 2.5. And this one won't be 2.5. One, two. Oh, that's not really half, is it? 2 marks. 2/16 off, isn't it? Okay. So we'll go here and 1, 2. There's a half right there. One, 2. It's missing a little bit. Okay. We'll do that too. Okay. Make sure it's pretty straight. 1, 2, and right around here. That looks right. Then well, 1, 2, and right here, which is right. And then we match these two together. Okay, so we got our box. The center is over here. Let's find out. Those lines, look, they kind of match, don't they? Nice. And over here, do these corners match? Almost. Yeah. There we go. Not bad.